Everything is fine now. Come on. Add standard VM directory. Select JDK. Select folder. Finish. GRE and the JDK is there, right? Select the JDK. Add, apply, and close. Now right click, run, clean, Maven clean. Okay, build success, right? Build success. Now right click, run. Let's build it directly. Here global arguments is asking what we can anyone know what we can we give the different global name, guys? Anyone? Someone said something different. What global argument? What we can they give, guys? Come on, anyone know that? Because it's asking what is that global name. Use the chat box. Someone something previous in the last session someone is given the message, right? I want to know your thought process also. Global goals. What we can give the goals, guys? Okay, what is the Maven goals? Apply and then run. Build is not successful. Why it's a failing now? I don't know, guys. I want to show one things here because of that.
Sir, provide Maven goals.
Clean complete package. Okay,
Like
right
what
click,
we want to clean,
run
complete
as
package and install. A package for the create a package like what we define in
clean
Java
only, right? Clean this one
and
only, right?
HTML.
Now I'm cleaning this one, but still it's saying that some problem. Now clean is completed. Now next let's
Yeah.
install also Maven
Compile.
installation. I'm giving what Maven installation. One minute. Read. Copy to resource, copying zero resource. What is that? UTF-8 encoded to copy filtered resource, right? No compiler is providing in this environment. It's saying that JDK is not giving compiler. Why? Because in the JDK both are there, right? Oh, okay, guys. Actually, some issue is there. Okay, I will explain these things later. Okay, let's don't want to waste the time here. Okay, we will see that later. Okay, we will see this one. Try to delete target folder. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, correct, correct. Now target folder. Maven compiler plugin. What? Okay, correct, correct. Now delete. Okay, I'm deleting the target. Okay, now right click Maven. Oh, sorry, run clean. First, we will clean it. Okay. Okay. So now next part we will do now. Let's install again, right? Let's what? Now right click directly build it. Goals. What I can give the goals, guys? Goals.
So in the goal, we can give like Maven goals like clean, what we want to do, clean, install package like that.
Building is the field target type refresh. No, guys, it's not working. No. Validate, right? Now apply. Why build is not happening? Something. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I think something is happening, right? 1 minute. What is the goal? 1 minute. I will search it, right? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, take minute, 1 minute, guys. We will see that. Okay, something goes wrong, right? In our project. Build document report. Okay, fine. These things is fine only. Test compiler bytecode. clean resource, right? Compiler var technology deployed. Okay, so fine now. This run maven resource colon, what is that? Resource var. Okay. Clean install. Goal clean install and debug output. Fine. Value Jacoco agent path. Goals, it's saying that what is that? Goals means what? Clean install it's asking, right? Goal install. Okay, fine, fine. Location is correct. I know that location, but Indigo workspace, right? Indigo workspace. Okay, again, come inside that group. Right click on the project, run and build the project, right? Okay, here what is that? Already something is there, right? Here what? Clean install, right? Clean install. Okay, let's take clean install, right? And debug output is saying that. Okay, I'm selecting that, but here value add, build file, build file. Okay, workspace location, target, all those things is there, right? Project container data home. Come here, we will see each and everything by then. Parameter Jacoco argument. Okay, but we are not using Jacoco, right? Build file only, right? Build file and argument. Okay, now apply and what? Run. Something different is going on now in this time, I think. Okay, something is going on, guys. Something correct is going on. Let's see that. It's first time, na? It's taking time, guys. Okay, it will take time. One time if success, right? Second time onward, it will work properly. It will work what? Properly. Download is happening now, guys. Okay. Now I think in this time it will work. In this time it will work. Download is happening now. Be patient. Be patient. It will work. based on that internet speed, guys. Okay, internet speed, it's taking time. Okay, because the file required file is now downloading from the internet. Okay, after then it will build the one what jar file in the target class. Okay, or sorry, target folder. Okay, after then we will run that target folder, right? And we will see that what as a how it's working without what. And those jar bar we will see in what in whenever we will work on what Spring MVC, right? Boot MVC. At the time we will see that, but here jar we will create it, right? Here we can able, because this is what is standalone application, right? Everyone is tired. Come on, use the chat box. Everyone will become tired, right? It's downloading, guys. Okay, it's taking time, no problem. Okay, but something going good only. Now test, right? Determine my event process ID. Okay, fine. It still it will take time. And in the real time, deployment will take time. Okay, some happened now. Okay, okay. Something is going good. Something going good. Because Spring image also came, right? Spring image also came. I think everyone became tired, right? Everyone is sleeping now. Come on. Sudhir, till how long the session will be there? Guys, a little bit, huh? Okay. Don't worry, I will stop it, okay? I will stop it, okay? Actually, I know that actually because of this Maven problem, right? Otherwise, if session will continue, if you people will not feel bored, okay? You people will not feel bored. It's a downloading, guys. Plugins are whatever required plugins are there, right? Those plugins is downloading now, okay? So after then it will create one what jar, and I want to show that jar, okay? How we can able to run that jar, okay? But nothing more than else. But it's what I can do. It's taking time only, right? Yeah, without problem, right? Suddenly, see, in the real time, right? Whenever we are deploying, deployment will go, right? We it deployment is taking, guys, okay, now 4 hour, 5 hour, 10 hour like this, okay? Our application deployment will go taking this much time. This is the small things only, right? But whenever in the real time, how it's taking too much time. Sometimes we are forgetting to sleep also in the night. Actually, at that time we are not giving what correct goal. Because of that, its build was becoming what failed, right? Build becoming failed. All things is now building up now. Okay, because of that, it's taking time. Okay, total. What is the dependency plus what is that these classes and all those things is creating in the jar only. Our Maven application is creating in jar format. Okay, so because of that, it's taking time. Goals means what? What you want to create, right? What jar? I just you want to clean your Maven project. Just are what you want. Okay, now what you want based on that. That is the only goal. Okay, that is only goal. See here clearly because just debugging output. Okay, non-resolving. Okay, here what is that? Clean. First, what you have to do? Clean the project. Then install, right? Then install and create the jar. Create the jar. Meaning is this one only. It's taking too much time to create the jar, right? Creating the jar is taking much time, guys. Okay.
So here install means nothing but the jar
Just wait till now. Till
creation,
now,
right?
wait it.
Right? Okay.
Usually we are just doing a Maven and Maven update. We are not giving goals every time.
Yeah. See that here jar is creating now, guys, but still some plugins is downloading. Now it's going good, guys. Okay. Be patient. Be patient. We can be without. We can complete it only today. Only we can complete it. Don't worry. If you much about that goal and all those things, okay, give time. When I will explain what my win at the time I will tell. Okay, at the time I will tell all those things. Okay. See, jar is created in the target folder, right? I will run this jar only, right? I will run this jar. Wait, and this jar only we are deploying in the real time, guys. Okay, this jar only what we are doing now. We are deploying in the real time. Generating in the real time. See, only one small project. Just we are creating the jar. Think about that. How much is taking time? Where in the real time, too much resources is there, right? Resource files is there to generating what creating jar, right? It's taking much time, guys. Okay, it's taking much time. Here we have need to what? It's taking our what patience. Okay, in the real time. Okay, so we in yeah in IT sector patience is more important than doing the work. See, it's still download is going on only one time, guys. Okay, first time because are required what required jars is downloading only. Okay, only one time. Second time onward it will take fraction of second only. Based on that one only, what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? One jar is created, right? One jar is created. So, okay, here what we are doing now, we are running this one. What we are running this application? What is that? Based on that what? Based on that, what? Uh, Eclipse STS ID. No, I want to run this jar only, right? Jar only, and I want to see the result. So what we will do now, guys? So where command, where our application is there now, come inside that what C folder, right? C drive. Okay, here this PC is there, right? This PC, inside this PC, what go inside that what local, and where Spring Session 2 p.m. Spring Boot, where the folder. Two p.m. Spring Boot, right? Inside this one, what is the project name, guys? What is the project name? Because there only, right? Spring Boot Dynamic, Spring Boot Configuration Dynamic 2 application, right? Okay. Okay, here what is that? Spring Boot, where Spring Boot Configuration Dynamic 2 application, this one only, right? Inside this one, okay, come inside the target folder. See here already is created. Now open the command prompt, right? Command prompt. I'm opening the command prompt only, right, guys? So see this one. I'm running this jar file, okay? So how we are running the jar? How we are running the jar? Java hyphen jar. After then, what we will take now, guys? What is that? What we will take now? Java hyphen jar, right? Hyphen jar. After then, what we will do now? Space, one space. What is the application? Spring, right? Spring Boot, right? Boot, Spring Boot. What is that? Configuration. CONFIGU config dynamic, right? DYE dynamic data to app okay, hyphen what is that? 1.0 dot jar. Now enter it, guys. Hey, what happened? Target Java unable to access jar file. Spring Boot configuration dynamic 1.0. Why? This is executable, right? Why it's giving this is the right? Okay, now CMD. I'm opening in the same location, right? What is that? Java hyphen jar space right? Jar space. What is that? Spring, right? Yes, Spring. Okay. Now what? Boot is CONFIGU.
Click on tab, Ravi.
ANMIC 2 add hyphen 1.0